Hi everyone, in this video, I will teach you all about Wice digital cards. Don't worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first all you have to do is open the Wice application. Once you've opened, you will see the screen, but if you still haven't registered, all you have to do is to register and then log in. And once you've logged in, you will see the same screen as for what I have right now. And to go to cards, all you have to do is to tap on the card tab on the bottom left part of your screen right next to home. So go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, as you can see, unfortunately, it is still not available in my region, which is the Philippines, but if it is available in your region, you will see a different screen. You will see options in which you can add a digital card. And once you've added a digital card, you will see the details there. And just like a physical card, you will also have your card number. So, what is the digital card for? You can use it doing online shoppings, and you could also add it to your Apple Pay or GPay, in which you don't need a physical card to enter, and it is also quick to access. As for all you have to do is to open the Wise application and head to the cards tab just like what we did. And it won't also leak your information, in which happens when you use your physical card. When you enter the digital card, it won't ask for any more questions, just the basic ones. Not like using the physical card of your local bank, you will still need to fill up long forms in order to use it. And Wise digital cards are also secure. As for, you can just transfer a little amount of money or a certain amount of money that you'd like to spend. And also, when you transfer or use the Wise digital card, the fees will be shown, no hidden charges. As for, they are transparent in terms of their consumers. And by the way, you could also have multiple cards registered to your Wise account, and every each of your card will have different card numbers. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.